audible, right? Oh,
Yes, audible, sir. Audible.
hi Gopi.
I saw audible.
Hi Vishal. Hi Sophia. Hi Sanawat. Hi Praveen.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah. Let me start my class. Let me share my screen.
Your volume is a little bit low, sir.
Gopi,
Sir, your
you want to
volume
do
is,
something?
yeah, your volume is a little bit low.
Hopefully my screen is visible. So yesterday for the last session I have told that how to log in the credentials uh, using the standalones. So this is the standalone I am using now. So I'm going to be open using my login credentials. So click on connect. Uh, Guys, please confirm my screen is visible to all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
volume is too
Yes.
low, sir.
Sir, not able to
Yes.
hear you. Yeah.
Now it's okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Guys, now it's okay. Hello. Hi, Gopi. Now it's okay. Am I audible, right? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can start, sir. We can manage.
Yeah, now audible, sir. Now audible.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Sophia. Thank you, Gopi. My screen is visible, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, visible.
So yesterday, we have created, the the blank project, as well as we have done the level 2 schedule up to WBS creations, as well as extracted from the WBS page to activities page. Now we will continue from the last sessions only. Same thing, just click on that high-rise building project and make it right click, click open. So it will automatically goes to activities page where we have created the level 2 WBS up to. So I'm going to click the project, click on WBS.
Sir, I can't hear you. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you are completely audible. Now it's okay. Sophia, now it's okay. Guys, my screen is visible, right?
Actually, screen is visible, but audio is not better actually.
Now it's okay, Sophia. Navas, Gopi.
Sir, voice is actually not so much clear actually. Yesterday it was louder. Today it was little bit low actually voice.
Okay, maybe some I'm having some network issue today. I think. Now it's okay, guys. Now it's okay.
Yeah, now it's okay. But we have to confirm with Sophia once.
Okay, okay. What about Sophia?
Can happen. Sir, it's feeble, but I can manage, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. I don't know what's
Hello.
the exact issue. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Please continue. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Sophia. So, yesterday we have done the level 2 WPS creations. Now we are going to be create a level 3 WPS. See, so this is the level 1, no? The collapse to level 2. This is the level 2. So level 3. So up to level 3, sorry, up to level 3 we have done it. So now we are going to be created level 4. Level 4 WBS creations, okay? So under the civil, for the high-rise building, I would say substructure. So again, after substructure, I will go superstructure. So under the civil, I have created substructure and a superstructure. But in hierarchy level, see, my hierarchy is under the civil, I have created substructure, and under the substructure, I have created superstructure. But the, the superstructure will be comes under civil, not under substructure. Again, I'm saying this superstructure will comes under civil only, not under substructure. So, so wrongly I have done it. How to correct it? I can tell you. See, click on the superstructure. See, right side. This is a navigation key. Okay, you just click it, move left. See, the superstructures will comes under civil. Again, I will do. So if we want to move superstructure under substructures. So you just click on this move right arrow. See, the superstructures will comes under exactly under superstructure. Now again, I'm going to be the reposition. See, under the civil, it was created substructure and superstructures. So level 4 WBS also I have created. Go to activities page and click on the file and the refresh button. Actually takes time. See, under the civil, the substructure and superstructure has been created. So this is how we have created the WBS level 4 creation. And the level 5 creation, that is called activity. Level 5 is nothing but we need to be create the activities. That is called level 5 level 5 schedule. Now I'm going to be add, click on the substructures and the right click and select add. So this is how we need to be create the activity under the WBS. Again I'm doing, click on the substructure, right click, make it right click and select add. So the new activity will be create here. Yes. Uh, can you please tell me the substructure activity, guys?
As piling will be there, footing will be there, mat foundation will be there, like that.
So
Either some
can you
raft will
please
be there for.
tell me the flow?
First, we have to do the pile. Before that, we have to do
So,
some test piles.
so high level is
Once,
more than enough.
yeah, piling. Once we completed piling, we have to do the excavation. Then we have to tie a footing. Then after that, we have to place columns and we have to take above the ground level and up to we have to continue for a superstructure.
Yeah. So up to the substructures, after the excavation, we will go for the PCC, right?
Yeah, PCC.
So after the PCC, raft,
Raft or pile cap, whatever it.
okay. So after the raft, I'm going to be go for the reinforcement.
Oh, we have to mention all the activities, sir. Each and every activity.
Yes, that is what what I'm asking
Okay,
you.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. I just
Means,
tell the finishing stages only. So, okay, okay.
it's a
Okay.
detailing one
Yeah,
for
yeah,
me.
okay, okay. Understood, understood, understood.
Yeah, because there are two types of schedule. Now I'm going to be now I'm going to be teach that what is the high level schedule and the detailed plan.
Okay,
Sometimes uh, you know the initial plan will be submitted from the contractor to client, that is called high level schedule. Maybe they will call the high level schedule. Thus, after the high level schedule approval from the client, so you go for the detailed plan schedule, which means the DWP, detailed work program. So this is what CMRL also following, Gopi. The
okay, okay,
CMRL culture also they are following. Initially, they have to be approved the high level plan schedule. After the high level, they will go for the detailed plan. So detailed plan
okay,
is
okay.
nothing but you need to be bifurcate the activities. You know
Yeah, yeah,
the
okay,
substructure flow won't be changed. The substructure flow will be same for the all the projects. So
okay, okay,
just we need to be extract those things bifurcation of the detailed plan. That's it.
okay, sir. Okay.
Please correct me if I miss any flow or error
Ah, okay.
or the unflow. So so this is the way we need to be create the flow of the substructures. Yes, Gopi, can you please tell me the superstructure flows?
Next, we have to do in for raft itself, we will place the columns actually, columns or piers. Then after that, we have
Okay.
to do shoe casting. We have to do. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
then we have to do the alignment, shuttering placing and shuttering alignment. We have to do.
Mm-hmm.
Then I have to do concreting for that particular column.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have to do bottom shuttering for beams and slabs.
Mm-hmm.
Then again we have to place the reinforcement and again we have to pour the concrete. Then after that curing.
Good.
Class. Only.
Yeah, yeah. So sometimes whenever you need to be do the lot of detailing in the project. For example, CMR system, you know, sometimes it may not be work out. I think, uh, you know, they will ask the detail should be limitable. So that's the reason I need to be put it high level. If you want to do, yeah, I will do. That's not a problem. But most of the client wants to know the not complete detailing because I had an experience.
There's
Keyword
some voiceover
recognition.
is there in the video.
No, not from my side.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, thanks. Uh, so uh, so that time we need not go for the more detailing in terms of flow. So most probably we need to be skews the detail also will be scrutinized. So so in terms of that, Gopinath, reinforcement, shuttering, concreting, and curing. There is more than enough, right?
Yeah, yeah, that's it.
In superstructures,
Uh, What's up?
in superstructure flow, can you please tell us?
Superstructure flow also we will do the same only, sir. For a column, we will place the reinforcement, then we will do the shuttering, then we will do concreting. Same. Up to first floor, ground level to first floor level, then first floor to second floor level, like that we will do.
We missed one flow in substructure where we need to put it the plinth beam. Can you please
Yeah,
tell us,
plinth
please?
beam, we have to do backfilling, then we have to do the plinth beam and all.
It will comes under.
After curing, we have to do backfilling,
Mm, yeah.
then we have to do plinth beam and plinth slab.
Now I'm going to be copy the activity from substructure to superstructure. So how to copy this? I want to copy this shuttering activities to from substructure to superstructure. So thus click on that activity and select it, copy, the right click and copy and paste wherever you want, select and do paste. So this is also you can be done using copy and paste. Now I'm going to be now without activity creation, I need to be do the exact copy of the this activity. Again, I will do select on the concreting. I need to be paste over here. So select on the activity of concreting. Just right click, select copy, go to the superstructure, right click here, which means if you know the later we need to be create these are all the parameters, these are all the functionalities. Okay, so if you for example if you have something if you have done already done the functionalities of under the concreting, for example resource and roles and assignments relationships, these two functionalities if we have done in the concreting, so that functionalities also we want to paste it over substructure or not. So that's the reason the copy activity option dialog box will be open. Again, I'm saying that concreting under the concreting activity in substructure, if you have assigned it any resources, that particular activity, consider. So after assigning these functionalities in concreting from substructure, the same the concreting activity, the same concreting activity move over from sub to super. So that time this dialog box will be open. Whether you don't want it or want, so according to your decisions you can check and uncheck. I don't want this and all, but now there is no relationship functionalities, there is no resource roles and assignments for this concreting activity, so I don't want to uncheck, leave it over here because there is no functionalities we have configured for this particular concreting activity. So I'm going to click okay. Yes, this is called auto number prefix suffix increment value. So what is prefix, what is suffix, what is increment value? Every activity will be having the identical activity IDs. For example, the file we have started prefix A and the suffix is 1000. So increment value is a 10. So after the file, the excavation will be 1010 because of this increment value. So after the 1010, the increment value 20 because of this. So you have to be customizes whatever uh, you want. For example, This is the high-rise building. See, this is a high-rise building. So I'm going to be give the identical number of the activity. See, high-rise building. Credo. Okay, hyphen. Now I am going to be pick the suffix 2000. So I'll click it. Okay. See, you know, we have copied this concreting activity and paste it over here along with this activity ID. Now, people maybe ask, so how can we do it for the existing activity also to rename the activity ID? Yeah, that is also possible. Just click that activity and press shift button and select the last one. Okay. And click on the right and the renumber activity ID. So same prefix we need to be added over here because these are all the same single project high-rise building at under Credo. So HRB high-rise building hyphen Credo hyphen, because you just leave it here 1000 here because we have already started the activity from 1000. So leave as it is and click OK. So this is the way we need to be create the activity IDs. So every activity ID we can create it according to the project, according to the requirement, client requirements, according to the your management requirements. So whatever it is, so accordingly we can create it. Now I'm going to be continue from the 1092 up to this also. Yes, you can select it and renumber it. 100. So this is the way we need to be make it activity IDs creations for any activities. Now, so this is a sample activities we have created for the substructure. So we have created activity IDs and the activities copy and paste. If you want to do the cut and paste, yeah, we can do it. For example, I need to be cut it over here. Just click on the link slab, right click, cut it over and paste it over superstructure. So that is also possible. So we can move the activity from one WBS to other WBS using the cut option as well as copy option. So again, I'm doing the cut paste over substructure. So it will be reset. Reset now. Now we will move on the relationship of the activities. See, with the help of Gopinath Srinivasan, we have created the activities of the substructures. So all of the substructure activities, all of the substructure activities will will go for the finish to start relationship. Simple. So what is called finish to start relationship? Before we need to know, so what are all the options in terms of options available in P6 in terms of relationships. So I'm going to be explain the relationship. order to teach the relationships, I need to go for the activity details over here. So I'm going to be select these details. I'm going to be select these details. So just click the details here. This dialog box will be open. So here we need to be customize whatever you want for this particular for any activities. This is the detail box. When you click the detail box, this dialog box will be open. So here the general is the status, resources, and the predecessors, successors, and relations. So after clicking the details, the dialog box will be open of the detail box. Here, general, status, resources, predecessors, successors. Now I'm going to be talk about the relationship. So here I'm going to be assign. This is called successor. See, this is called successor. This is called predecessors. Predecessors nothing but there is a previous activity of the file. Successor is nothing but after filing. So what will go for the next activity? So for example, predecessor predecessor is a 1 and the file that activity is 2. Predecessor is a 1 and the file activity is 2 and successor is 3. This is the definition of relationship of the predecessors and successors. Again, I'm saying predecessor the predecessor is a 1, the file activity is 2 and the successor activity will be 3. Okay, so now we need to be assign the predecessor and successor for this particular activity. Before that, I need to be create one because we don't have any predecessor for this particular file. Every activity should be activities should be having predecessor and successors, which means the both loops will be closed, should not be open. During the scheduling, every activity should be close these loops. You know, this predecessor and successor should be assigned for the any activity. That is the thumb rule of physics. So here there is no predecessor for this particular activity. Maybe a file is having the excavation and the excavation will be having the PCC. The PCC will be having the raptor. But for this particular file activity, uh, doesn't have the predecessor because it's the first activity of this project. Okay, consider this is the first activity of the project. So I'm going to be create one more WBS. I'm going to be create. So click on the WBS on the top. It means level 1. Select the add button and move it over here because I need to be this WBS move over for the top. So you can move it over. Just click on the right button. Just move up. So now I got it the new WBS on the top under the high-rise building. So I'm going to be create a WBS name called milestone. This is called milestone. Guys, do you have ever cared about the milestone? The milestone, because every project will be having the milestone. Guys, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Hi, Sophia. Okay. I'm telling, no problem. So every project will be having the milestone. So like I'm going to be create the milestone. You know, project start. Substructure finish. And click on the project start and click add superstructure finish. The project. Yeah, we can write it project finish at later whenever it occurs. So leave as it is as a new activity. So now I have created, you know, the project start milestone, the substructure finish, and the superstructure finish. So as of now, I have created these three milestones because we need the predecessor for this uh, file activity. So now I have created the milestone. So I'm going to be assigned the predecessor for this file. So there, go to that activity and click on the relationship and click on the predecessor area. Click on the predecessor area and click assign. Now these are the activities will be displayed. The same activities what we have created in the activities page, those same activities will be display over here in your right side. The name of assign predecessor dialog box. So here you need to be click at the project start for the predecessor for the file activity. Just click on the project start activity. Click this assign button. Automatically your file activity will be having the project start. Again I will do. So click on that particular activity of the file wherever you want to assign the predecessor. So click on that activity. Click this assign button for the predecessor assigning. Select this activity and assign it. So this is the way we need to be assigned the predecessor relationship. Now I'm saying that project start is a milestone for this particular activity. The project start is a milestone. So there is the name general. You just select general. Here the activity type, you know, the activity type, there are 6 types of activity. There are 6 types of activity has been configured in P6. So what are the activity types? Finish milestones, level of effort, resource dependent, start milestone, the cost dependent, and WP summary. So now this is called the milestone. This is called the milestone. So project start is start milestone. Simple. Again I'm saying because we need to be define the activity type for this milestone. We need to be define the activity type for this milestone activity. So this is the project start under the milestone. So I'm going to be select the start milestone. Before that it was task dependent. Now, in the task dependency, there is start and finish columns having dates. Now, I'm going to be change it from the task dependent to start milestone. So if you have to select the start milestone, how the dates will be changed, please see over there. So I'm going to be select the start milestone. See, once I change the start milestone, the start date will be appear over here. No, the not the finish date, because this is called start milestone only. Now this is called the substructure finish. Under the milestone, this is called a substructure finish, which means this is finish milestone. See, two dates are displaying over here, respectively start and finish. Now I'm going to be select the finished milestone. So when you have select the finished milestone, the finish date will be automatically display over here. Later on, I will explain what is the purpose of this finished milestone. I will explain. Now you need to know understand how to assign the activity type for the milestone activities. The same. This is also finished, so I'm going to be select the finish milestone. Maybe you can ask to me like, so what is the apart from the milestones, what are the types of activity we need to be assigned for this activity? So again, I'm going to be show to you the general most apart from the milestone. Generally, we the people, we the planner are using maximum on the task dependent activity. All of the activities automatically will comes under task dependent only. See, all of the activities will comes under activity type, unless until you need to change the other than task dependent activity. See, here I have to select the for the start. It will display start milestone because we have customized it. The substructure finish milestone, finish milestone. Now, but file the task dependent, excavation also task dependent. So now, see, now we have assigned the predecessor for this file activity. Again, we have assigned the we were assigned the predecessor for this file activity. So now we got the predecessor. Now we need to be assigned the successor for this file activity. Now this is called 1. I said that this is called 1. The file is 2. And the next activity we need to be assigned in successor. So 3. So the right side, the successor dialog box will be there. Just click the assign button and assign it. You know, the flow we know very well. So after the file, the excavation will be done. The third activity is excavation. So I'm going to be, I was done the predecessor, successor for this file activity. The, the number 1 is project start, number 2 is file, number 3 is excavation. This is the loop. This is the loop. So I will come after I will come after this explanation. I will come to under relationship. So I'm going to be now I'm going to select this excavation successor activity. See, I just select this. I just click on the go to. See, automatically the activity will be. We click on the go to option. It goes to the exact activity. Once you assign the successor for this file, just click on the go to. You got a predecessor for the excavation activity. Because this excavation activity was already having the predecessor. How? Just go to, click on the go to, because you have already assigned the successor for this file activity. So when you have click on the go to, so you will get it the excavation having the predecessor of the file activity. Now this is 1, this is 2, and we need to be assigned the 3. So after the excavation, PCC. go to the PCC, the predecessor will be have excavation. So you need to be assigned the successor for the PCC, that is raft. You know very well, the raft will be, if you want to go to check the activity of the raft, the predecessor will be on the PCC. Guys, it may be a little bit confusion of you because some people needs to understand the things will be take time, I think, uh, because I need to ensure you guys about the relationship of the predecessor and successor assigning. Guys, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, thanks. Do you clearly understand what I have done it for the relationship?
Yes, sir. But it would be preferable if you send us the recording the same day, sir, so that we can be thorough. Because since we are not given the access yet, so it's easy for us to go through once again before coming to the next class. Since we have started in day now.
Okay, no problem. No problem. I will give those one setup file to you in the group. So you just install it and
Recording, sir.
you,
Yesterday's and today's, if we get, no, it will be easy for us to go through once again before getting into.
okay. That is also crack version only I can give. Okay, I will share the setup file to you.
Yes, sir. Even the recordings I'm talking about, sir, recordings, so that we can go through the yesterday's class and today's class, then we'll be proceeding with the
No problem.
proper planning
The
things.
recording. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir. Because we need to refresh our minds since we are going in depth right now.
Okay, okay. No problem. No problem. No problem.
Yes, sir.
Because this recorded videos and all the admin will share. So you just
Yes, sir.
mention
Fine.
in the group, mention the WhatsApp group. He will automatically share.
Yeah, sure,
Otherwise,
sure.
he maybe share the link, some link to you. So after clicking the link, you can get the video.
Sure, sir. Sure. Thank you.
So this is the way we need to be assign it the relationship of predecessor successor for any activities. So I'm going to be explain the relationship classification. So there are four types of classification in the relationship: finish to start, start to start, finish to finish, start to finish. There are four types of relationship: finish to start to start, and the finish to finish, and the last one, the start to finish. You know, we are all, we are going to be the planner, so we know very well about the finish to start activities. Because after the pile, the excavation will be done. So pile excavation should be a should be the finish to start activity. Should be the finish to start activity. Sometimes, sometimes maybe you will start the substructure activity in the nearest area of the high activity. Again, I'm saying, consider one more building. Consider one more building. You have to be start nearest the substructure activity of this one building. Your management give the approval to you for the parallel start for those buildings, those two buildings. Consider your management has been clearly told you like you can start the building at the simultaneously. You can start those two buildings at simultaneously. So that kind of scenario, you need to be create one more substructure and the pile as excavation PCC. That time you need not give the project start of the predecessor for the particular substructure. You just create assign it this successor for this one more building file, just assign it those activity and click on the, for example, consider this is a substructure. I'm going to be assign it. Click on the relationship start to start because you have got approved from the management like the parallel start. This is called a parallel start. The file and the column reinforcement maybe your parallel start. So those things we can discuss in the tomorrow class because that is very important. The finish to start to start, and the finish to finish, and start to finish. So tomorrow we have to be we need to learn the relationship of these four types because that is very important. As a planner, we should know these things too. These things on now I'm going to be tell that under the engineering, under the engineering, I have created the civil substructure and superstructure WBS and the activities also. But it will not comes under engineering. It will comes under construction only. If you have done some, from the mistakes in the WBS wherever it is, so now I need to be move this WBS to the construction. I need to be moved this WBS under the construction. So not for the civil because construction itself, civil is there. Construction itself, civil WBS is there. So I'm going to be expand the civil. Under the civil, the substructure and superstructure WBS are there. So I'm going to be selected this two WBS and make it right click. And I'm going to be cut and paste over here under the construction, under the civil. Select the civil WBS, right click and paste. Now this engineering we have created under the engineering wrongly and substructure and superstructure. So I was done the correct way. Like I cut it those two WBS and paste it over under construction, especially under civil. So just check it the activities page. So under the construction it was rearranged. So under the construction, the civil substructure and superstructure has been created along with the activities. See, nothing has changed. We were done. I was done. Like just cut it from engineering to construction civil. Simple. So today class, so we have created the level 5 schedule. Nothing but activities creation, and we know the activity, how to copy the activities from, how to cut the activities, how to paste it over from one WBS to another WBS, as well as how to renumbering the activity IDs, how to rearrange the activity IDs, how to make the relationship of the predecessor and successor for any activities. So what are the classifications are there in terms of relationship? What are the classification there in terms of activity types? So these are all the activities, these are all the functionalities we know. Okay, so today almost I am done. If you have any clarification, please ask me.
Sir, can we renumber the milestone also? Because after that, can you go to that page?
Yeah, thank you.
No, in WBS, it's saying 1.6, right, sir? In WBS, if you So we have pushed it
Yes,
forward, like up, right? So should we change the numbering or how?
yes,
Milestone. Uh,
you can change it 1A like that. But you cannot do that 1.1 because it was already
assigned.
created for the
Mm.
engineering. So that's the reason we can't able to duplicate. We can't able to make the duplicate.
Oh,
So same thing, we have to be create the renumbering for the project milestone also. Just select all the activities on the right, the renumbering, make it 500 or something else. So you can create it. The activity ID is also. Activity ID is also very important, Sophia, because
mm,
sometimes
mm,
your client will be mentioned this using this activity ID only they need to be
true.
communicated with. So that's the
Yeah.
reason activity IDs are very important. Any other else, guys?
Sir, one doubt.
Yeah.
Actually, in milestone, you created a for pile activity. You created that project start as a predecessor, right?
Correct.
Yeah, that project start you again created as a start milestone. You gave it as a start milestone, I think so.
Mm-hmm.
Is that default one? That start milestone, we have to, that setup will be a default, right, for every project?
Yeah, yeah. Start milestone is the default. You know, if I go
Okay,
to click the go to active, click on the go to, it will go under the start milestone of the project start activity. If you have, if you have select this start milestone, your
okay,
activity type completely change it from the task dependent to start milestone or either finish
okay,
milestone.
okay, okay, okay. Okay, sir, okay.
Okay, guys. Okay. Any other thing?
Sir, you, one general question. As a planner, you know all the activity in electrical, mechanical, and all the things.
That's yeah, yeah. That's what
Oh, that we have
I have
to,
clearly mentioned.
okay,
I have clearly mentioned in the
because,
first class itself.
yeah, yeah,
The basic things only you need to know. Uh,
yeah, okay.
as of
Because
now,
it,
nowadays, yeah, yeah, please, yeah.
yeah, actually, sorry to interrupt. Because nowadays there will be different set of projects. Some infra projects will be there, some high-rise building there. Activities will be different, right, from one project to another. Do you have you can you get any uh documents regarding that? Some BOQs like that for reference?
Yeah, yeah, sure. I can share to you. No problem. No problem. I can
Okay,
share
okay,
because lot of projects I have done it over here. I can show you. See,
okay, sir. Okay,
lot of projects. IT projects also I have done it. This is the airport
okay, okay.
project. You know, this is the pipeline project itself. There is
Ah,
infrastructure projects. You know, this is a road
okay, okay.
project. This is also carries road project. There are lot of projects I can share to you.
Yeah, now only I'm getting little bit scared, sir. You are telling that because I know only civil activities. Now we have to go through all electrical, mechanical, and all the things.
No, no. As of now, nowadays you can get it any kind of discipline activities through the ChatGPT. Okay,
Okay, okay,
there is not a challengeable one because earlier it was challengeable before the AI, but nowadays it was for every the 2K people, 2K kids, 2K kids also know these things because I'm handling those people, the freshers, the planners.
okay, okay.
So uh, those people also are very much easily they can understand as well as they can make the schedule. To be honest, using that chat GPT or AI, because all of the flow will be get it from the chat GPT. High level only they will know, but
Okay.
moving forward only you need to learn once you assign the project. So moving forward only you can learn it.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
With,
Practice make
without
perfect.
experience, you cannot for the interview purpose you can crack it. I can
Okay,
say
okay.
100% for the interview purpose you can crack it using the
Okay,
Maybe
okay.
using the using the preparation practice in P6, you can crack the any interview. But if you someone got the job, especially for the infrastructure project or whatever it is, so sometimes you need to play on the more things need to learn. This
Yeah,
is
yeah,
my
sure.
suggestion and opinion.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, you were talking about the clubbing of projects, like one is superstructure, other one is substructure, right, sir? Each project will have its own program, right? Then how will be the clubbed one? Like maybe like procedural wise, like in construction wise, it will be helpful, but each project will have its own program, right? So how do we segregate that? Like,
You can link it from one project to another project. For example, as I said earlier, if you consider there are two kind of high-rise building can be start simultaneously. Consider this. Sometimes if you want to merge this project, yeah, you can merge it using the relationship. Simple. I said the producer successor, right? The class.
yeah.
So you
But
can merge it.
if the owner, like client is different for those two projects from our side, so how do we
Immediately
like
we prepare it different types of project, two types of projects.
programs? Maybe internally we need to club because of the activities, maybe machineries and the materials like that we can club it. But client wise, if it is different, then we have to program it in such a way that it's clear, right?
Exactly. According to
Okay.
the client, you need to be submit according
That's
to
what
the
like.
project schedule.
But in-house, like if we have to club because of the machineries, maybe if we rent it or anything, right? So we can just accommodate within those period. Uh,
Yes, yes,
so that and all we'll be learning in the upcoming classes, right, sir?
sure, sure. Sometimes
Okay.
you are talking about the resources. Equipment is nothing but resources.
Mm-hmm.
Resources will be common for those projects, but the timing is very important. Timeline is very important. For example, if you
Correct.
consider these activities on the same timeline, you cannot use for the equipment at the same time. One equipment for the same time. You need to be assign one more equipment for the if you have a
Yeah. No, for example, like if we rent out like morning session, if we are using for one project, an evening session, like if you're like, it's all hypothetical, I'm just asking. So if it is like that, like we have to be managing both in the programs, right? So that's what like my doubt is. Hello. Sir?
Recording has stopped.
Oh, sir is there? Anybody can hear him?
No, no, no.
Oh, he left, I think.
Yeah, I believe.
Yeah. Okay.